Assalamu alaikum children, how are you all? I hope you all will be fine and stay at home. Children, in our regular classes, you will already study 3-letter words. Now, today we will learn 3-letter words again. Children, you will read this letter after me. K, A, T. Cat. K, A, T. Cat. K, A, T. Cat. B, A, T. Bat. B, A, T. Bat. This is bat. Now children, read after me. B, A, T. Bat. M, A, T. Mat. M, A, T. Mat. H, A, T. Hat. H, A, T. Hat. Next is B, A, G. Bag. B, A, G. Bag. T, A, G. Tag. T, A, G. Tag. Is A, D. Sat. Is A, D. Sat. P, A, in pan. P, A, in pan. K, A, in can. K, A, in can. M, A, in man. M, A, in man. F, A, in fan. F, A, in fan. K, A, P, cap. K, A, P, cap. M, A, P, map. M, A, P, map. J, A, in jam. J, A, in jam. Is A, in sun. Is A, in sun. B, A, in bun. B, A, in bun. G, A, in gun. G, A, in gun. In A, T, nut. In A, T, nut. T, A, B, tub. T, A, B, tub. In A, G, mug. In A, G, mug. K, A, P, cup. K, A, P, cup. Okay children, you will learn and read these 3-letter words at home in the guidance of your parents. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.